In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments with Google Sites using an Elfsight PayPal button. This will help you create a seamless payment process for your customers right from your Google site. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Elfsight. Elfsight is a fantastic platform for integrating various web tools, and in our case, we'll be using it to set up a PayPal button. Once you are on the Elfsight page, look for the catalog section. This is where all the different widget options are listed. In the catalog, to find the PayPal widget, begin by typing PayPal in the search bar. This will bring up the PayPal button option. When you see it, go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll then see various templates available for the PayPal button. Choose one that suits your website's design and the kind of payment process you want to offer. Keep in mind the aesthetic and functionality that work best for your users. After choosing a template, click on Continue with this template to move forward. Now it's time to input your PayPal email. This is crucial as this email will be tied to the transactions made through this button, so make sure it's correct. After that, you have the option to select the payment type. Depending on your needs, you can choose from checkout, donation, or subscription. Next, there are a few more elements you need to customize. Adjust the localization settings to cater to your target audience's language and location preferences. You can also tweak the currency settings to match your clientele's needs. Then there are the financial details. Ensure you input the correct price in USD as well as the shipping price if applicable. Don't forget about setting the appropriate tax type that complies with your region's requirements. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the customization, the next step is to click on Publish. This will make the button configuration live and ready for use. For cost effectiveness, select the free option, which offers a good range of features at no initial cost. After selecting this, click on Copy Code. This embeds your newly customized PayPal button code to use on your Google site. Head over to your Google site and find where you want to embed this PayPal button. Click on Embed, then choose Embed Code. Paste the code you copied from Elfsight here. Once the code is pasted, click Next. This will give you a preview of how the button looks on your site. If everything is okay, your final step is to click Insert. And there you have it, your PayPal button is ready to accept payments directly through your Google site. This simplifies payment processing for both you and your customers, enhancing user experience on your platform. Happy setting up.